Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and let's draw Corviknight from Pokemon. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're going to draw right in between his eyes, this one line first. And then on the corners here, we're going to slant up. So this is going to be right above his eyes. Okay, so from these slants, let's draw one little curve side to side. And this is going to be his eyes. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the eyeball. Just going to draw a little circle inside. And then I'm going to shade around it, but I'll leave a little bit of highlight in the middle. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then from there we're going to continue down and just finish up his beak first. So right on the corner here, just slant down. And then come back all the way to the center. So this is going to be the very tip. Okay, and he's got some details up here. So from the corners, just come down straight and then draw a little angle right in the middle. And then from that point here, I'm just going to draw it all the way to the tip of the beak. Alright, so now we can finish up the rest of the face. So from here, just go up. Let's draw a little peak like this. And then on the side here, just flare out. And then this is going to wrap right around the eyes. So just slant it out. And then come back in halfway, and then whatever space you have there, just kind of close it off with a little curve going in. And that's going to give us his face. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the feathers on top. Just going to draw one little hump. And then just two more smaller ones. So 1, 2. So those are the feathers on top. Alright, and then now we're going to continue down, and let's just draw in the feathers on his chest right here. So right here, I'm going to curve out. Just come back in. So that's going to be, I guess, one of the feather shapes or the strands. And I'm going to draw one more just coming down. And then I'll come to the center here. I'm going to draw one big one. And then whatever space you have here, just draw another one, and I'm going to make this one a little bit curved. Alright, so yeah, it's a pretty cool looking character. And then from here now I can draw in his body. So I'm going to continue down here. And his body is really easy. So it's kind of like a diamond shape. So just come down and then just come back to the middle, nice and sharp. And then let's just keep going down to his legs, because these are pretty easy shapes to draw. So come back up here, I'm going to draw one line. And then from this line, just going to draw like a little triangle. And then here, just go back up. Should be right around there. So it's this one big square with a line in the middle. So let's draw on the other side. So we're going to come here, come down. Let's draw a triangle. Okay, and from this point here, just go back up into the body. Alright, and then for his claws, it's easy as well. Just come down with two lines, close it off, extend the line, and draw a triangle going down. And then for the other claws, I'm just going to come here, just draw a little curve. So curve, go back. Alright, so same thing here. Two straight lines, close it off, extend the bottom, draw a triangle going down, and then a little claws on the side. Alright, so that's the body, and now let's drawing the his wings, and which is pretty cool. So we're gonna start back up here and just go up. Just curve it up. So it's gonna be pretty big. So from here, from this tip here, we're gonna draw one big curve going out. So just curve it out. Alright, so let's draw in the other side so we kind of have the placement of the wings first. So we're gonna come up here. Let's draw one curve. Try to make it symmetrical as the other one. And then from here, again, just go out. Alright, and then once we have that, we're just gonna come back in. So this is gonna be one big feather. And then let's just draw one more. Coming down, just curve. So these don't have to be so exact as long as you have some kind of curve coming in to make these feathers. Alright, so once you have these two, come back here. I'm gonna draw 3 smaller ones down here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and then 3, just zigzag. And then now whatever space you have here, we're gonna draw one more big feather. Down and just connect it, close everything off. Alright, and we're almost done, and he's got some extra feathers back here, so right above the wing. So I'm going to start here, just curve up, come down, and then just one more, just going to tuck it in right over the wing. Okay, so same thing here, just going to go up, come down, then one more. And that is it for this Pokemon. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.